Be a bit quick because there's no time. My mom is coming in a few minutes. My mom is coming in a few minutes, and if she saw this mess, she's gonna be angry. Hey world, welcome to my channel and welcome to a new first episode of Random Cooks. So let's get started with my ingredients for the pearl milk tea. I decided to make my own at home. I've never done this before, so it's gonna be like a DIY thing. We're gonna make our own tapioca at home because you couldn't find any outside in the grocery store because, I don't know, it's not available. But it's available on some shopping apps here in Philippines, so you can buy it from there if you're too lazy to make your own because it's gonna consume some time. So let's get started. Here I have my measuring cup. My 1 cup of water. I put 1 cup of water inside this. And then here I have brown sugar. I have my coconut milk. And here I put around 2 cups of hot water, and I put 3 tea bags of black tea. And here we have our tapioca starch. So let's get started with this 1 cup of water. We're gonna add to it 1 cup of dark brown sugar. Okay, I think this is 1 cup already, so I'm just gonna add it here to the water. And we're gonna bring it to a boil so that we can finally add our starch. So it's doing some noises right now. I'm not sure if this is gonna explode in my face.
عشان مبلول. انت فعلا ما وقفتيش في مطبخ. نشفي البتاع من تحت. عندك راج اي منديل.
So I'm gonna keep stirring until the brown sugar dissolves into the water, and then we're gonna bring it to a boil. Boiled already! It's taking too long, so I will see you guys later. So right now I'm gonna add my tapioca starch. So we need 2.5 cups of tapioca starch. It's getting a bit messy here, so I advise you to use paper bag or any paper or something to protect your table from getting messy. I think this is a good exercise if you want to exercise your triceps or your biceps. So I think we should add the 1/2 cup that we haven't added earlier. Sorry. So we're gonna put the mixture here in this mixing bowl. You can see it right here. It's so beautiful. So guys, after this, I put my mixture here on this this thing for the pizza, but I'm just gonna put my, and then I'm gonna start kneading it until it gets super fine. So yeah, it's gonna take some time, but guys, please wash your hands. So guys, please wash your hands before you start kneading because we don't want anybody getting food poisoning. Ah, it's so hot. Guys, please be careful.
The dough would be quite warm, but still workable with your hands.
I made a slight mistake because I let the water too hot, so right now it's very intolerable for my hands. So please just keep the water lukewarm or just warm. It's too hot. You know, I almost burned myself. So right now my hands are adapting to the boiling hot water that I used earlier, and I think I can do it right now. So guys, I added a bit of starch here on the side because it's getting a bit sticky. I wonder how long this video is gonna take.
Much later.
Okay, so guys, we're done with our dough, and right now we're gonna divide it into small pieces or small balls. Guys, so it currently looks like poop right now. I hope it doesn't disgust you, so yeah, just continue kneading so that it won't look like poop anymore. Be a bit quick because there's no time. My mom is coming in a few minutes. My mom is coming in a few minutes, and if she saw this mess, she's gonna be angry.
One eternity later.
So guys, I stopped. I'm not gonna make this again. Please just throw this in the trash because it doesn't work, okay? Just buy online some... I'm so sorry for wasting your time, but it doesn't work. I prefer you to just buy from the online shopping applications, tapioca pearls, because this is an epic fail. I just made a big mess. So I'm gonna cancel this out and I'm gonna just make milk tea because... yeah, this is nothing. I will just try kneading it and kneading it and kneading it until it's finally smooth, and it's not working. So just, oh my god, it's working. I'm just kidding, it's still not working. Guys, I just wasted money.
Thousands of tears later.
So guys, here I have my mature version of milk tea. I'm just gonna use the coconut milk and tea, and this tea has already, like during our clean up time, I put some brown sugar in this tea, just around 2 tablespoons. I'm gonna start mixing all these together, but first I have here my mixer cup. I don't really have a shaker here, so I'm just gonna use this as my shaker. I have just ice, and I'm gonna start mixing half of this coconut milk. I hope it doesn't explode in my face because it's my first time to shake. Sorry. I was planning to do something more. Seems like today's not my day. I'm gonna taste it right now. I'm just gonna imagine that there is pearls in here because of my epic fail video. So it tastes good. It needs a bit more sugar, but it tastes good. And it's more healthier. So if you like this video of me failing, just click like and subscribe. I know right here. And I hope you enjoyed. See you next time.